This is the installation for the connector in the back that comes from we have already done this. Now we're going to do the end connector for the radio. Okay, as you can see, this is how it's done. Let me put closer. I don't know why it doesn't want. Okay. Now, let me show you how this is done. Okay, first we have a cable like this. Insert this cable, the ring. Insert the ring. Okay, inside. Now we're going to use this. You see how it pushes upside down. We're going to squeeze, and we're going to put in here. Okay. Now, turn. Okay. Squeeze. Now we have this on. See? Now, let us make sure there is no anything else. See that little piece there? We use scissors, and we're going to cut. This must be clean. Nothing here. Now, we're going to use this. We're going to cut a piece. This one. There. Okay. That's it. Now, you have a ruler. We must cut total length from here to here. You must cut from here to here. Must be 1.5 inches. Here. And we're going to peel this off. Okay. I have taken this off. 1.5. Please note, this is white. You must take the silver. It cannot go all the way. This must be white like this. Pull back. Pull back. This. Okay. Now, use our ring. Insert in the middle. Okay, and push all in. There. You see? Tip a little bit. Okay. Now, take the ring, this ring, and we're going to push it in. See? We can cut from here. We cut from here and here. We can cut this off, no problem. Now with this ring, push in. With the ring, push in. Okay. Now we can use the crimping tool. This crimping tool. And we're going to crimp this here. This part we're going to crimp hard. And that is it. Complete. Alright? Please note. I will cut a piece and I will leave it like that. So you'll see how it looks. Thank you.